Hi everybody, today we have this platform called Frase, and this is the best AI writer and content optimization tool. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform. So now jumping straight on, you will be able to see a lot of AI tools. So this is literally all in all platform for every type of AI that you are going to be possibly ever needing. So from article writer to, let's say, LinkedIn post generation, Instagram captions, and literally you name it, everything is available in here. Now let's just say we want to go with article writer. We are going to be simply selecting our language, inputting a title, like for example cats. We have variations, and then we have this description section as well. And once we click on generate, it will be generating our data related to the title that we are going to be providing it. So you can see the fascinating world of cats, a perfect companion. So you can see it is generated with an article. And if we go back, you will be realizing that we have our templates on the top left side of your screen as well. You can create your templates in here as well. And once you simply name it anything, you are going to be entering your commands using your forward slash, like for example heading and whatsoever you would like to add in here. So this platform is really a gold mine if you are willing to work with AI tools and different type of softwares for SEO or whatsoever. And let's just go through some of its amazing reviews. You can see clever software lurking behind welcoming user interface, the only tool you will need for content writing in 2023 and even in 2024. So an amazing platform indeed, and a reliable source of artificial intelligence. You can head over to Frase by using the link in the description and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Do not miss out on that. See you guys in the next video.